Evergrande of China, interest payment of dollar-denominated bonds could not be confirmed. The grace period has expired. Amid growing concerns about Evergrande defaults, Chinese authorities have announced a policy of full involvement in restructuring foreign currency-denominated debt. The local Guangdong provincial government has announced that it will send a supervisory team to Evergrande. It has also been decided to establish a risk management committee in which executives of the ministry's government-affiliated companies will be co-headed. In order to avoid social turmoil, the Chinese government will focus on handing over properties to home buyers and protecting business partners, aiming for a soft landing of the Evergrande problem. On the 6th, at the Central Political Bureau meeting presided over by General Secretary Xi Jinping of the Chinese Communist Party, he revised the real estate regulations that had emphasized speculation restraint and showed his stance to consider the economic slowdown. The People's Bank of China also announced on the same day that it will reduce the reserve requirement ratio, which indicates the ratio of money forcibly deposited from commercial banks. From the 15th, according to the People's Bank, a total of 1.2 trillion yuan of long-term funds will be released to the market, clarified the attitude of supporting the cash flow of companies. Financial markets are avoiding turmoil following a series of moves by authorities to make a soft landing. In the Hong Kong stock market on the 7th, the stock prices of real estate companies such as Evergrande all rose. Major stock indexes in Asia and Europe are also rising across the board. Chinese authorities and local governments have the experience and mechanisms to deal with defaults while mitigating systemic risk, said Morgan Stanley. However, Evergrande has a debt of nearly 2 trillion yuan, including payments to business partners. It seems that many foreign investors hold dollar-denominated bonds. And if debt restructuring is seen as excessive domestic priority, it may lead to investor opposition. It is unclear whether the talks will be completed smoothly.